Hi everyone, look what I have here, the new Akaso Brave 7 LE. Oops. Oh, sorry, this is the Brave 6 Plus. Actually, this is the one that you want to look at. It haven't been launched yet. They call this Brave 7 LE. Look at the packaging. And launch edition, that means it's not even out yet when I got this. So you can see it's fully wrapped. Let me cut this up and get in to unbox it. It's so new and so tight. Trying to get it out. Okay, it's out. Again, Akaso embossed in the center, and let's open it out. And there you have it. This is the introduction to Akaso. Thank you for choosing Akaso. And then you have the Akaso ambassador, Tommy Cadwell. This is the same packaging design as the Brave 6 Plus. And before we look at the camera, let's look at what we have in the accessories. Again, we have 3 pouches. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 pouches here, and let's pull it out again with all the accessories here and batteries. Okay, what I notice now is the batteries and wristwatch. Wristband for you to go on action and control the camera and the video. Right, so this is the wristband. But I notice now the battery seems to be different from the previous models. This is a bigger battery, it's 1350 milliamp hour. Seems to be bigger. And let's look at what else we have here. These are all the cables, charging cable. And what do we have here? Apparently the charging cable is micro USB, not type C. So this is a micro USB unit. Okay, let's push this all aside and have a look at this. Okay, it's big, it's not small. This is the underwater casing, and let's open it up. Oh yeah, okay, finally got it out. And let's get finally got it out from the casing. Let's peel off this screen protector first. Let's peel off for the front screen as well. Doesn't it remind you of another camera? And there's one at the back. I'm not much of all these stickers. I will put a tempered glass if I can get them on. But this is the Brave 7 LE. It's quite weighty. I'll check out the weight, the specs, because there's none written on the box. This is supposed to be weatherproof. It's IPX7 water resistance. This is dual screen, front and back. It doesn't have 4K 60, it's 4K 30 FPS only. And with a 20 megapixel photo capabilities. What is interesting is, so let's look at the design. We have the large camera front here. It's a circular camera frame, and I'm not sure if we can open it. I'll try that later on. With the LCD right in the front. It reminds you of another design, right? So then we have the menu selection button on top. Is M mode, okay, and then this is the shutter button. There's a mic here. You can see there's a mic there, and this side is the power button, on off. and bottom you have the battery cover, and that's where the battery goes in, and that's the SD card goes there, right? So now what is interesting here, look at this, we have a track for tripod, so you can just mount this on the tripod without any frame or any additional accessories. And the side here, it should be a speaker, and though there's a mic in front, there's only one mic there. Again, there's one mic, and this could be the speaker. It may not be a mic. So, and as well as a side cover. Let's try to open this up. Okay. Wow, it's quite tight. Okay, we have the micro USB port and a micro HDMI port. So why is it using micro USB? It should be using type C, right? So, and that is some rubber seal here, so it is a bit water resistant or waterproof with this kind of rubber seal. So that's good sign. That means this can take some dipping, and there's seal here as well. Okay, so let's power this up and have a look. Let's power it on. Okay, no card. Now mind, we'll just go through the menu setting, right? So this should be similar. Oh, this is interesting. It's not the same as the usual Akaso setting. This is okay. Okay, just pull it to the side, and you have, let's go back again. We have 4K 30 FPS and 2.7K 60 FPS, 2.7K 30 FPS, 1080p, 120 FPS, 1080p 60, 1080p 30, 720p, but it's 240, and 720p 60. Now that means the fastest frame rate you will see is 720p 240, and 2.7K at 60 FPS. We don't have 4K at 60 FPS. So now you have quality. You can adjust low quality, medium quality, and high quality. Interesting. So this is stabilization on and off. So in some modes you don't have the stabilization. So let's go back out and let's look at the setting. I'm not sure because it's because my finger is not very touch responsive, or is there any other swipe function? Okay, that's just nope. Okay, when you swipe left like that, it goes to single photo mode and normal video, and then photo mode. So what function you have for photos? 20 megapixel, 16 megapixel, 14 megapixel, 10, 8, 5, 2 megapixel. So it's interesting. I'm not sure why anyone wants to shoot at 2 megapixel. And metering, Okay, let's you adjust metering, multi and center. Okay, that goes back and that goes playback, but it's no file yet because I haven't done any recording. Apparently seems to have zoom here. Oops. Yep, it does zoom. See? It does zoom. Let me bring something to shoot. It's the battery, and you can see the battery, and you can zoom. Right, so interesting function. And what else we have? There's no other function here, right? So it's just lock and power off. Okay, there's a quick look at unboxing at this. I'll pick this Akaso Brave 7 LE, again 7 L, out for a run and get you some nice footage from here. It's a bit heavier than the Brave 6, so size wise about there. Thickness is small, right? That's a bit thicker, so maybe because of the waterproofing. So I'll take it out, and do give me a thumbs up and follow me on my next video on the Akaso Brave 7 LE. And this is a quick hands-on and unboxing. This is so new. I'm very fortunate to have received this from Akaso. So let me have some time to test this out for you guys, and do follow their Facebook, Instagram, and visit their website for this product is being sold there. Currently they will put up the link for the unit when it's ready for mass market.